Hey, my kind hearts, welcome back to Shraddhaji's TVD, my daily vlog diary. If you're watching this, we made it. Another year survived, another year learned from. So, ये vlog मेरा last vlog है of 2025 and I didn't want to end it with noise. I wanted to end it with truth. So, today's vlog is about how this year changed me, what I learned, and maybe a tiny wake up call for anyone who feels stuck right now. So, पहले तो I'll show you a quick 1 minute year recap, and then a 30-second reel of what I did in my last outing of the year. So let's rewind for a minute.
That the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes.
So this year didn't look perfect, but it was real and that counts. So just to give you all a brief context, I will tell you कि क्या हुआ throughout the year. So I was back to India last November and मैंने सोचा था कि मैं आ जाऊंगी and मुझे 1-2 महीने में अच्छी जॉब मिल जाएगी and I'll settle well here. But the year didn't go as I planned it in my mind. तो हुआ ये कि जनवरी में आई वॉज इंटरव्यूइंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट रोल्स, एनीथिंग इन द डेटा बैकग्राउंड, क्योंकि आई डू हैव a master's in data analytics which is in the AI and statistical modeling space, and before that I did my software engineering. तो मेरा tech ही background रहा है, and with all of my experience I wanted to stay in the data analytics space only because that is my comfort and interest zone when it comes to tech. तो फाइनली मुझे एक यूके कंपनी के साथ जॉब मिल गई थी एज अ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर इन their डेटा ऑपरेशंस. But suddenly, within 2 months of joining, they realized कि they didn't want a project manager, they wanted a marketing manager instead. तो वो जॉब तो मेरे हाथ से चली गई. अब this is around May 2025 and I kept on interviewing. I didn't think कि अरे ऐसे क्यों हुआ, क्या हुआ. I didn't question much. I just kept on interviewing and applying to different jobs on LinkedIn. And I gave few interviews in Bangalore. I gave interviews in Delhi as well. बट मैं मुंबई ट्राई करी थी क्योंकि यार आफ्टर 5 years ऑफ लिविंग इन द US आई वाज लाइक अभी अभी तो मैं मुंबई आई हूँ अपने फैमिली के पास, तो आई वुड वांट कि मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ ही ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर पाऊँ. एंड लकीली आफ्टर लाइक टेक्निकल राउंड्स और 4-5 interview rounds, I got a job offer as a data scientist. It was a really high paying job based on my 5-6 years का data experience in Mumbai, and that too with a big tech giant, और plus the client was also a big pharma client. अब हुआ ये कि I was super happy कि चलो ऑफर तो आ गई है, and this was around July, like monsoon start हो गया था मुंबई में. एंड ऐसा हुआ कि यूजुअली टेक जाइंट्स थोड़ा टाइम लेते हैं बैकग्राउंड चेक का है, तो द एचआर वाज लाइक ओके वील डू कंडक्ट सम बैकग्राउंड चेक एंड देन गेट बैक टू यू. तो ये बैकग्राउंड चेक होते होते अगस्त आ गया था, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे prior US company did not respond back via email, तो that failed my background check. तो उसमें मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाई, and that's when I was like shit. This is September of 2025 and almost एक साल होने आया है that I'm back to India and मेरा career ऐसा hang पे है. तो yeah, initially I felt कि ऐसा क्यों है. I questioned myself, I questioned my previous work experiences, my personal journey. But looking back now, I feel ki even though there were no major milestones or achievements throughout the year, I do see survival, patience, healing, and growth. तो September, October and November इसी सब में गया है, and that's why it brings me to the biggest lessons of 2025, which I'll be talking about now. Okay, so lesson number one, self love isn't aesthetic, it's uncomfortable. This year taught me that self love isn't morning routines or affirmations. It's staying when life gets silent. It's choosing yourself when no one is clapping. I learned to stop begging the world for validation, even family. Second, self esteem comes before results. No job, no offer, no certainty, and yet I had to believe I am still worthy, because even your parents, siblings, friends, they can only support you, but only you can believe in yourself first. 3. Calm is a superpower during uncertainty. Being jobless, stuck, confused, it can make you panic, but staying calm, trust me, that's the strength. I learned that panic never solves any problem. Patience does. Fourth, luck and destiny don't show up on your timeline. I waited, I hoped, I tried, and sometimes nothing happened. So that's okay, because not everything is delayed. Some things are redirecting you. And the last lesson, which is lesson number 5, starting YouTube changed something inside me. Guys, I didn't wait for January. I didn't wait to be ready. I started YouTube at the end of December, like last week, scared, imperfect, but honest. And in 1 week, trust me, I feel really good about myself and excited for this new journey. I know guys, काफ़ी ज़्यादा heavy vlog हो गया for the last vlog of 2025, but I still have like few minutes of gyan to give. And this part is for you if you're watching silently, if you're not lazy but scared. Guys, fear se mat daro. If fear of failure is stopping you, please don't wait for January. I mean, abhi bacha hi ek din hai, but I would rephrase it to please don't wait for end of the month, like end of Jan or end of Feb, to start something which you want to do it right away. There is no perfect time. Over planning it will only delay your time towards success. So over planning is just fear in disguise. Perfectionism will kill momentum, and authenticity beats quality. So action लो, confident बनो, because action builds confidence, not motivation. Ab, if you guys are wanting to start a YouTube channel, then now is the time. मैं डेटा एनालिस्ट हूँ तो मैं तुम लोगों को कन्विंस कर लूँगी, क्योंकि Forbes predicted कि in the next 6 years, which is by 2032 year, हम सिर्फ 6 साल अवे है, 2032 अभी दूर नहीं है guys. And right now there are already 115 million YouTube channels across the globe. By 2032 it's going to hit 1 billion. So clearly the world doesn't need perfect creators, it needs real ones. So if you're a real person and you want to do content creation, then now is the time. And if I can start with fear, you can too. So this year didn't give me everything I wanted, but it gave me 2 things which I manifested really well. So I'm ending this year with deep gratitude and 2 new titles in my life I once only dreamed of: fiance and YouTube content creator. Grateful for all the love that feels safe. I'm grateful for courage that showed up quietly. Grateful for every single person watching this and all the kind hearts you guys are to me. Thank you. Thank you for being part of my tiny corner of the internet. If this vlog helped you even a little, my job here is done. Drop a comment if you're starting something new in 2026, and if you're not, that's okay too. We all are just figuring it out. Right, guys? So, Happy New Year, guys. No pressure, no resolutions. Just don't forget to be kind to yourself. And now, excuse me while I disappear to watch Stranger Things finale on Discord because clearly priorities. Goodbye 2025. You were chaotic, but you taught me. So, thank you so much, guys, for spending few moments of your final days of this year with me in this diary of mine. And I'll see you all soon next year with new stories and maybe major plot twists. So Happy New Year, guys, once again, and see you soon in my next DVD with same heart and new page.